This is a laptop hard drive came with WD brand. Its capacity is 500 gigabytes. And, this mobile phone is operated by Android 13 version. Today shall we see how to connect this hard drive with the mobile phone. Will it be possible? Thank you for subscribing my channel, stay with Setnfix. This is the most important part. You have to have a laptop hard disk to USB connector. There are two types of such connectors. One is supported USB 2.0 version as well as there is USB 3.0 supported connectors. But it is more suitable USB 3.0 version. Now you can connect this with your hard drive. Be careful when connecting the connector not to damage the main board of the hard drive. This mobile phone is with Android 13 and the charging port is USB Type-C. Therefore, I am using a OTG cable with USB Type-C connector. Now you can find the cable to connect hard drive and the mobile phone. It is USB to micro USB cable. Shall we connect the mobile phone and the hard drive using the data cable? You can see the red LED of the hard drive that indicates the hard drive is reading. I will open the file manager of the mobile phone to check the connection. No, the hard drive is not in the mobile phone. There must be a driver with 500 gigabytes. The reason may be the insufficient current to read the hard drive. I checked the 5-volt pins of the hard drive using multimeter. This is the 5-volt pin. I used a separate power supply to give the current to the hard drive. Now I can hear a change of the noise from the hard drive reading. You can see the mobile phone detected the hard drive and the partitions of the hard drive. Now you can access the hard drive using your mobile phone. You must note it that if the mobile phone power is not sufficient, you have to give a separate power to the hard drive. I hope this is important to all of you when connecting a hard drive with a mobile phone. I will see you from a fresh video soon. Until, be innovative and, stay with Setnfix.